Is that it?
The man was gone.
Dang.
Thing is, I saw Al's office
I know.
when I went to the museum. It's literally within sight of the courthouse. It's a 1-minute walk. So, how likely is it he would miss something over? Wouldn't they just walk it over? Or a friend of Al?
Evidently he's used to getting
Especially if it was urgent. It would take them 10 times as long just to dial the phone for the courteous service. The candlelight danced there, the red room glowed.
Like, just follow the cop at this point.
People messenger things all the time, Walker said. It's routine, and it was too hot for walking. Light and wicked and obvious. She was pale in a black bikini.